Hello everyone, we are reading chapter 2 addition of numbers and today's topic is estimation. Estimation means we are using this method to find out what? To find estimation. Estimation is a method used when we do not know the exact value. But we guess a value reasonably close to it. So suppose we don't know the exact value of any number, we cannot take this and that. So we have to take which one is the closest to that number, nearest to that number. So how to find out that number when we are reading nearest to 10. So how to find out rounding off to the nearest 10, rounding up to the nearest 10. So whenever we are rounding off a number to the nearest 10, first of all the main thing is that we have to see the ones digit, means what is at the ones place, which number is there on the ones place. Clear? Ones place, and that number is close to which one? How we can find out? See, if the ones digit is 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4, if the ones digit is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, then keep the tens digit as it is and replace the ones digit by 0. See here. Suppose 2, 7, 3. So 100 place, tens place and ones place. Okay. So see the ones place number. What is this? 3. So if it is 0, 1, 2, 3, so keep the tens digit as it is. Means no changes is there in the tens place number. So 2, 7 will remain 7 and we have to replace the ones digit by what number? By 0. So this is the nearest 10 of 273. Why? Because this 3 is near to the 0. That is why we are not changing or not adding any number on the tens place. Why? Because the ones digit is 3. Clear? Okay. So second condition, if the ones digit is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9. Okay, if the digit is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then what we have to do? Increase the tens digit by 1. Means we have to plus 1 in the tens place number. Clear? We have to plus 1 in the tens place number and replace the ones digit by 0. And the ones place we have to replace by 0, whatever number it is. Okay? If it is more than 5 or it is 5. So let's take example 378. So which place we have to see? This one. This is more than 5. What is that? That is 8. So what we have to do? We have to increase the tens digit by 1, or we can say add 1 to the tens digit. So 3 will 3 and 7 will become 8 and the ones digit will become what? 0. We have to replace the ones digit by 0. So this is the nearest tens. Clear? So we will discuss few more examples. So let's take few more examples. Rounding off to the nearest 10. Rounding off to the nearest 10, how we will do? So first of all, we have to see this. First of all, we have to see the ones place number. What is that? That is, what is that? That is 2. It is more than 5 or less than 5. So it is less than 5. If it is less than 5, then what we have to do? If it is less than 5, then the tens digit will remain same, and we have to replace the ones digit by 0. So the tens, so 100 place digit will remain same, and tens place digit is also remain same. Why? Because the ones place digit is less than 5. So we have to replace this ones digit number by 0. So 242, the nearest tens is 240. Clear? Let's take another. So again, what we have to see? The ones digit number when we are doing number in nearest 10. So see this one. What is this? This is 5. 5. Okay. If it is 5, then the tens place number will increase by 1. Means we have to do here plus 1. If it is 5 or more than 5, that means this 3 will remain 3 and this 6 will become 7, and the ones digit what we have to do? Replace by 0. We have to write 0 in the ones place. Clear? So 365 is the nearest tens number is 370. Clear? Okay. Let's take 2-digit number. So what is this? This also 2. That is less than 5. So the tens place number will remain same, and ones digit is become 0. Means we have to replace by 0. Why? Because the 7 will remain 7. Why? Because this ones place is, the number is less than 5. So now see this one. 39. 39. 9, we have to see this 9. Because ones place we have to see. Ones place number. So this is 9. This 9 is more than 5 or less than 5? More than 5. That means we have to do plus 1 here. Why? Because this is more than 5. So 3 plus 1, 4. And ones digit will be replaced by 0. Done. Clear, children? How to do the nearest 10. Clear? So let's discuss how to round off number to the nearest 100. Just now we have discussed about 10 and now about 100. So when we are rounding off a number to the nearest 10, the most important thing is that we have to see the which place number, that is tens place number, that is the tens digit we have to see. Okay, tens digit. Suppose which place we have to see, that is the tens place number, this number. So first you find out this number is, it is greater than 5 or smaller than 5. So 1 is greater than 5 or smaller than 5. Obviously 1 is smaller than 5. Okay. So if the tens digit is smaller than 5, that means the 100 place digit is remain same, and tens and ones place number is replaced by 0. Is replaced by 0. Clear? Is replaced by 0. Why? Because we are doing nearest 100. 2 zeros are there, here also 2 zeros. Clear, student? Now one more example. So we are doing nearest 10 and we have to see which place number, that is tens place number. So tens place number is what? 8. If it is less than 5 or 5 or more than 5, then what is this? First you see. What is this? This is 8. Less than 5 or more than 5? Obviously it is more than 5. If it is more than 5, then what we have to do? We have to add 1 here. That means 3 plus 1 is how much? 4. And these two digits are replaced by 0. Means the tens place and the 100 place digit is replaced by what? Replaced by 0. Clear? See again. One more example. So we have to see tens place number. Tens place number. If it is more than 5, then what we have to do? We have to plus 1 here. That means 5 plus 1 is how much? 6. And the last two digit is, that is tens place and ones place digit is replaced by 0. Clear? If the tens place number is less than 5, no changes are there in 100 place number C. But we have to replace these two digits by 0. Okay? And if the tens place number is more than 5 or is equal to 5, then we have to add 1 in which place? In 100 place number, or we can say increase by 1 in the 100 place number. So what? So 3 plus 1 is 4 and the last two digits, that is tens place and ones place, is replaced by 2 0. Clear? So this is the way to rounding off the number to the nearest 100. Now we will discuss how to do sum by estimating to the nearest 10 or nearest 100. Estimating the sum of two numbers. Okay? To estimate the sum of two numbers, we round off to the number to their estimated value, and then we have to add. Means first we have to estimating the sum of two number. First we have to round off the number and then we have to add. Okay? Suppose 1. Estimate the sum of 12 and 37 to the nearest 10. Estimate the sum of 12 and 37 to the nearest 10. First of all, we have to estimate this number to the nearest, where? Nearest 10. So, rounding off, first we have to round off this 12 and 37. So, rounding off 12 to the nearest 10 gives. So, first of all, we have to see the ones place number. Why? Because we are rounding up to the nearest 10. Nearest 10. So, this is 2. This is more than or less than 5. This is less than 5. So, the tens place number will remain same and the ones place digit is replaced by 0. Clear? Now 37. See this 7. Ones place number. This is more than 5 or less than 5. This is more than 5. So, we have to add 1 here. So, 3 plus 1, 4. And 3 plus 1 is 4 and 7 will replace by 0. Clear? Okay. So, estimated sum means we have to add these two numbers, 10 plus 40, 50, and actual sum. Actual sum means these two number we have to do. So 12 plus 37. What is that? 9 and 4. So this is actual sum means we have to add these two number, whatever number is there in the question, and estimated sum means we have estimated the numbers to the nearest 10. So this we have to add. So this is the estimated sum and this is the actual sum. Clear how to do the estimation of two numbers to the nearest 10. Clear? Okay. So let's start our exercise. Exercise 2G. Question number 1. Estimate the sum to the nearest 10. Okay. Estimate the sum to the nearest 10. Okay. So number A, 15 plus 8. Okay. So write it first, rounding off. Rounding off 15 to the nearest 10 gives rounding of 8 to the nearest 10 gives. So we have to round off the estimate to the nearest 10. So 15. So first what we have to do? We have to see the ones place number. So the number is 5. Yes or no? So I told you if the number is more than 5 or equal to 5, at that situation we have to add 1 here. So 1 plus 1, 2, and what? And what? And the ones place is replaced by 0. Clear? Okay. And here see, only the 1 digit is there. Only ones place number is there. So this is more than what? More than 5. So one number we have to add here. What is there? Nothing is there. So 1 will become here 1. So 1, and in place of 8 we have to write 0. Clear? So this is the 8 is nearest to the 10 and the 15 is nearest to the 20. So estimated sum means 10, that is 30. Actual sum, what is that? 15 plus 8. What is that? 23. Clear everyone? So the estimated sum is 30 and the actual sum is what? Actual sum is 23. Done? So question number C, 38 plus 22. We have to round off to the nearest 10. sum. Estimate the sum to the nearest 10. So first of all we have to estimate these two numbers. What is this? This is 8. So what we have to do? Plus 1. So 3 plus 1, 4. And in place of 8, 0. Good. And what is this? This is 2. That is less than 5. So what we have to do? The 2 will remain 2. And in place of 2, 0. Clear? Okay. So estimated number, tens and 1. 40 plus 20. That is 60. And actual 38 plus 22. So what? So done. The estimated sum is 60 and actual sum is also 60. Clear? Clear, student? Okay. So let's start question number 2. Rounding, estimate the sum to the nearest 100. Question number 2. Okay. Question number 2, number A. 765 plus 112. 765 plus 112. So first of all we have to round off this number to the nearest 100. Okay. So let's do it. So when we are doing the nearest 100, what we have to see? Which place number? Yes, tens place number. So this is 6 and this is 1. So this 6 is more than 5 or less than 5? Yes, more than 5. So plus 1. 7 plus 1, 8, and in place of 6 and 5, 20, because we are doing to the nearest 100. Okay. Now see this one. What is this? This one. This is more than 5 or less than 5? Yes, less than 5. So the 100 place number will remain same, and in this 2 digit will replace by 2 0. Clear? Now estimated sum. See your estimated number. 100 tens and ones. 800 plus 100. So 0, 0, 9. And your actual 765112. Done. Plus 5 plus 2, 7, 7, 8. So your estimated sum is 900 and actual sum is 877. Clear, children? Let's do one more question. So question number B, 354 plus 211. So round off this number. So see the tens place number. What is this? This is 5. What is this? This is 1. So what we have to do? Plus 1. Yes. Plus 1. 3 plus 1, 4. And in place of 5 and 4? Yes, 20. Then what is this? This is 1. In place of 1, what we have to do? It is more than or less than 5? Yes, less than 5. So no need to do plus. So 2 will remain 2 in place of 1, 0, 0. Clear? Clear, children? Okay. Now do your estimated sum. 400 plus 200. How much? Yes, 600. Now your actual 354 plus 211. So 5, 6, 5. Your estimated is 600 and your actual is 565. Done? Okay. Clear? Practice it. Okay. Thank you, everyone.